Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. So here the question is given: if x plus 2 by y equal to 8 by 3 and y plus 3 by x equal to 9 by 2, then the value of x cube y cube plus 216 over x cube y cube is equal to how much? So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 600 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So first of all, given x plus 2 over y is equal to 8 by 3, y plus 3 over x is equal to 9 by 2. So here if you take LCM and you can solve, so it won't be easy. So what you have to do, let us take this as 1 and this one as 2. So here we will do first 1 into 2, multiplying 1 and 2, x plus 2 by y into y plus 3 by x is equal to 8 by 3 into 9 by 2. So here it will go 3 times, here it will go 4 times, you will get 12. Now if you multiply this, xy plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 by xy is equal to 12. So here you will get xy plus 6 by xy is equal to 12 minus 5. You will get 7. This you will get 5. Sending to that side, you will get 7. Now here cubing on both sides. So in the problem it is given x cube y cube by x cube y cube. So we are doing cubing on both sides. So here first of all a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of plus 3ab of a plus b xy plus 6 by xy is equal to 7 cube. Cubing on both sides. So here x cube y cube plus 216 x cube y cube. Here xy get cancelled. Plus 18 into here this value is 7 into 7 is equal to 343. So here we'll get x cube y cube plus 216 x cube y cube is equal to 343 minus 18 into 7. That implies 343 minus 126. You will get the answer. The value is 217. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.